If you're like me, you probably underestimated the power of good copywriting. English was pretty much the only subject I was good at in school, but I didn't lean on it enough when I started my marketing. I only really focused on design. I love design. And whilst that's great, I now firmly believe the foundation of marketing is in fact copywriting. Writing marketing words with the aim of converting a reader. Now that conversion could be a click, a like, comment, purchase, whatever. And who doesn't want those mini conversions? So I've put together 5 watertight copywriting frameworks for you to use. First one, P.P.P.P. Picture, promise, prove, push. So for picture, we create a vivid scene about an existing pain or a desired future outcome. Then for promise, we state how our solution can solve that pain or bring the desired outcome closer. For prove, we back it up. We support the promise with results or case studies. And then for push, we finally push the reader to take action. Next is a classic, A.D.A.A. Attention, interest, desire, and action. So for attention, we want to catch the reader's attention with a bold headline or hook. For interest, we want to inspire them to read more with intriguing or unusual information. Then on to desire, we want to emphasize their core desires and ideal outcomes. And finally, we give them a call to action. Next is Q.U.E.S.T, bit of a longer one. Qualify, understand, educate, stimulate, transition. Let's break it down. Qualify, we want to indicate that this piece is intended for a specific audience type. Understand, we let them know that their current issue was also your issue. Then we educate, show them what you've learned, discuss how you solved that issue you mentioned. Next is stimulate, where we demonstrate proof of your methods working well. And then transition, we show the outcome they'll get by working with you or buying from you. Next is A.C.C.A, attention, comprehension, conviction, and action. Attention, illustrate a problem with big consequences that they probably aren't aware of. Comprehension, describe the problem in detail and make it resonate. Hammer it home. Conviction, we make readers believe the solution is in their hands. And action, we direct their new discovery towards taking action with you. Next, P.A.D.S, probably my favorite. Problem, agitation, discredit, solution. For problem, we address a specific problem the ideal client is dealing with or facing. For agitation, we agitate the discomfort by describing their pain points in detail. Discredit, we bring up solutions they've probably tried or considered and completely discredit them. And solution, you guessed it, we deliver the solution. And look, I'm no copywriter, that is for sure. But if I can use these methods to create a fan base of ideal clients and harness that audience to have a £7,000 day in sales, less than 3 weeks of quitting my job to go all in on my business, so can you. And these frameworks definitely help me along the way. Now, if you want to download my free high-performance LinkedIn content planner, you can grab it in the description. Or if you'd like to learn the lessons I learned from growing 5,000 LinkedIn followers in 90 days, you can watch this video right here.